Cow and Dog by Rebecca. Hey dog, wanna play ball? Sure. Oh no, I think I forgot some tricks. Do you have an umbrella? Sure. Better get inside. Whoa, there's like nothing in here. Do you think it's enough space to play ball in here? Yeah, I think it's enough room. Let's play. I feel really hungry. I'll go get some cookies, okay? Wait, where's the kitchen? You can go do that. I'm here with the cookies. There you go. One for me, one for you. That was delicious. Oh, I think it stopped raining. Listen. Yay, let's go back outside. So glad that it stopped raining, eh?